Hello everyone! Today, we will draw a flying dinosaur, the pterodactyl. First we use a pencil to draw guidelines. These will help us draw everything in the right place. Draw a diagonal line and add another diagonal line at a right angle. Connect the ends to the tip to form a triangle. Draw a circle for the head, an oval for the body, two long curves for the front and the back of the wings. Two curved triangles for the beak. Make the upper part a bit longer. Draw triangles for the teeth. An oval for the eye. The head crest has a straight and a curved line. Draw the neck and the tail. Claws on his body. And wings. And our pencil sketch is done. Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Make one shape of the body, neck, head, beak, and tail. Make one shape of the wings and the claws. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. Now we can color our pterodactyl. Draw an oval for a belly spot in yellow. Add 3 triangles in each wing with a rusty red. The rest we can color orange. As a bonus, I added a Jurassic background. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.